All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Ishan Sharma, and I'm the consulting director of BITS Goa Consulting Club. We have already offered this course in the summers, pan India wide, and we have trained about 400, more than 400 people in strategy consulting and leadership. And this time, in association with CTE, we have decided to offer it to the first years as well. So, dwelling into the main question that comes into everyone's mind, that what is consulting? So I just picked this definition up from Google, but like with a minute tinkering about. Consulting is the profession of giving expert business advice to clients. And by doing this, the clients approach us, we give them advices, and this helps them solve their business problems and improve the operational capabilities of their firm, which in turn help them generate profits and therefore increase their overall stature of the company. The next question that comes into our mind is, how do you consult a client? So yeah, it's pretty complicated when you think about it. Like you're approached by a firm, and you have to solve a question which will obviously be very vague. There's no structure to it. That's where the role of a consultant comes into play, where he has to make sense out of a very vague problem statement given to him and create a solution out of the whole problem scenarios that are provided. So it's a very stepwise scenario, which we also have listed here. First, we analyze the problem and the issue trees that are there and make an issue tree out of the problems so that we have a proper structure on what exactly the company is facing with. Data, and lots of data. This is a very important part of consulting, and we require tremendous amounts of data from the client, and we do our own analysis. We have a very specific analytics team called BGCC Analytics, which uses machine learning and automated systems to provide top-notch analytic services to clients. We use business frameworks, which is usually well-known business strategies, so that we can fit the problem into those frameworks, and finally present our solutions to the client, which are easy to understand and comprehensive, so that the client can take action on it. So a few things about our club, which is obviously BITS Goa Consulting Club. We started off about a year ago, and we are a student-run consulting firm that provides innovative, sustainable, and feasible strategic solutions to a wide array of clientele. We have worked with NGOs, big corporates, and government organizations on paid projects, and have provided an array of solutions to these clients, and have completed about more than 10 projects. We are one of the few clubs which are closely mentored by the IIM Lucknow Consult Club, and we have knowledge collaborations with the consulting clubs and business clubs of IIM Calcutta and IIM Ahmedabad. Apart from that, we have also partnerships with international colleges like HEC Paris and UC Berkeley. Some of the salient features of our club is that we provide unparalleled consultancy work experience to all of our members. As I spoke earlier, we have done more than 10 live projects with both Indian and international firms, earning a cumulative revenue of 1 lakh rupees in just 6 months. Another key perk of a club is the fact that our members are mentored by Boston Consulting Group and McKinsey consultants personally, which provide us with hands-on industry relevant training and experience, which is a very necessary skill in the market right now. Apart from that, our members are very talented. We have won numerous accolades in national and global case study competitions, as well as interned in top-tier consulting firms like PwC and EY. So coming on to the program, we have divided this program into four weeks. This is a little bit shorter than the other programs, but we have made it into a concise, very dynamic program, and these are some of the things that we'll be covering. We'll be covering basic consulting terminologies and strategies, some business analysis for ideas and frameworks, introduction to business analytics, effective presentation making, and we'll be in the end part, we'll be solving actual case studies and working on your effective corporate communication skills. Coming on to the timeline of the program, before that, I would like to mention the fact that we are also inducting first-year students only on the basis of individual performance in this course. So, and this course is absolutely free of cost. We are not the 500 rupees nominal fee is not here in this course. You can register it absolutely free of cost. So coming back to the timeline, we have structured this course into 3 milestones. By the end of week 1, you will be well versed in the concept of MISI, which is mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive. We'll be training you in everything. You don't need to worry about the concepts and or terminologies right now. Making issue trees, hypothesis-based approach, story formulation, etc., which are very important in the business, in the world of business and finance at the moment. By the end of week 3, the participant will be very well versed in business concepts, basic business concepts, as well as advanced business concepts, reading financial statements, basic financial terminologies, as well as financial terminologies, business models, how to fit a problem statement into these business models, advanced business frameworks, as well as effective presentation making, how to use the use the PowerPoint software or Prezi software to then maximum extent to develop very comprehensive presentations. Finally, at the end of this course, the participant will be very well versed in business analytics. We'll be teaching you Excel basics. We'll be teaching you data cleaning, manipulation, and how to work around with data, raw data for analytics works. We'll be teaching you advanced Excel operations and their uses in actual business scenarios. We'll be giving you case studies, and you'll be solving those. We will be covering various financial formulas, their applications, and we'll be asking you to make financial models. Finally, when the course is almost about to end, we'll be teaching you effective communication for businesses, as well as working with you personally on case study solving to build your overall comprehensive skills. And finally, I'm sure by the end of this course, we'll have a very good idea of what consulting is, and hopefully we'll be able to gauge our interest in this very dynamic and expanding growth of consulting and finance. Once again, we have already offered this course in the summers to more than 500 people. So, and we have refined it a lot. We are pretty confident that you like this course. And thank you for listening. Looking forward to seeing you in the course. Thank you.